Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and switching into private browsing. This is the only built-in way to browse without saving local history. On iPhone, tap the Tabs button, then choose Private. On iPad or Mac, select File and New Private Window. Once done, make sure you see the dark interface or the word Private. That confirms isolation. You use this mode because it separates cookies and clears session data when closed. So avoid signing into accounts if you want a fresh, minimal footprint. Once you're in private mode, open discrete tabs for separate tasks and avoid merging them with normal windows. This maintains session separation. Make sure to disable or selectively allow extensions inside private if they leak identifiers. Go to Safari settings and toggle them per site. Also choose a privacy-minded search engine like DuckDuckGo to limit search tracking. If you need to download files, remember downloads remain on the device. Clear them manually. These steps keep local traces low and reduce. To finish, close every private window or tab. That triggers Safari to drop session cookies and history. Make sure you don't leave signed in pages open. If private tabs reappear after reopening Safari, check iCloud Safari Sync. Signing out or pausing sync prevents restoration, or restart the device to force cache reset. If you still see data, go to Settings Safari Advanced Website Data and remove leftovers. One key tip: downloads and saved files are not auto-deleted. Remove them manually to complete clean.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.